if you remember, no, we started with Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide. That I think that's the beginning for the partnership with the Empire. And then the conversation just evolved. Really, again, for us, we're exploring different avenues also where we can make an impact, where we would like to align ourselves with as an entertainment brand. And we see that with pageantry, it's something that resonates with a lot of Filipinos, first and foremost, and also really gives or creates a lasting impression and impact to a lot of people, whether it's inspiring a new generation of beauty queens or kings, and then also just elevating Filipino artistry through designers, to the creativity of it all. So that's how we saw it. Hence, that conversation with Miss Universe evolved. So, baka inisip nyo Miss Universe, bakit agad-agad also, di ba, Miss Universe International. I guess at this point, medyo mag-cliffhanger muna kami. Nagkabanyanan ng mga susunod na kabanata and announcement. Because at this point, we can't really say much. But for everyone to just stay tuned for bigger announcements also from our end.